Imagine a world where the secret to weight loss, improved heart health, and enhanced brain function is not in the latest diet fad, but rather in a practice as old as humanity itself. Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting, a game-changing lifestyle strategy that is not just about what you eat, but when you eat. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is essentially a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's not a diet in the conventional sense, but more accurately described as an eating pattern. Its simplicity: eat during a specific time period and fast during the rest. There are several different intermittent fasting methods, all of which split the day or week into eating and fasting periods. The most popular methods include the 16-8 method, the eat-stop-eat method, and the 5-2 method. The 16-8 method involves fasting every day for 14 to 16 hours and restricting your daily eating window to 8 to 10 hours. The eat-stop-eat method involves a 24-hour fast, either once or twice a week. The 5-2 method involves consuming only 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week, but eating normally the other 5 days. So, how does this work? When you fast, several things happen in your body on the cellular and molecular level. For example, your body adjusts hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible. Your cells initiate important repair processes and change the expression of genes. Intermittent fasting triggers a metabolic pathway called autophagy, which removes waste material from cells, contributing to cellular repair and prevention of many diseases including cancer and Alzheimer's. Additionally, intermittent fasting can help lower insulin resistance, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, as well as lower inflammation and improve heart health. In summary, intermittent fasting is a powerful and natural strategy that can help you lose weight, increase energy, and improve your overall health and well-being. It's not about starving yourself, but about structuring your eating in a way that allows your body to function optimally. Remember, the most popular methods include the 16-8 method, the eat-stop-eat method, and the 5-2 method. Each of these methods has its own benefits and can be chosen based on individual preference and lifestyle. Intermittent fasting has the power to trigger cellular repair, lower insulin resistance, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. It's an ancient practice with modern-day implications, and it's transforming lives one fasting period at a time. So, if you're ready to take a leap towards a healthier lifestyle, consider intermittent fasting. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that could revolutionize your health. Embrace the power of intermittent fasting and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you.